What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blep super meme token. Ticker symbol is Blep. Now this token has over $1 million market cap. This is a meme coin on the Base chain, Coinbase's blockchain. There was a couple comments that people in the past month have left talking about this token. Must have been a few days ago because it says this token basically just came out 6 days, 17 hours ago. That's when the pair was created on Uniswap. So it must have been within the past few days. I saw a couple comments regarding this token. So here we are. Now we're going to be talking about the Blep super meme token. Going to go over the information on it and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage doesn't have lots of info on it. This is very much just a meme coin, but there is tons of memes on there. Endless memes, videos, pictures. You can find them all over their socials, all over the webpage. The webpage is thatblep.com. And over there, there's a DEX tools and DEX screener link where you can see the charts and the price and all the statistical info. You can also find this token on basescan.org. It says Blep on Base. There's no substitute for Blep. He's a little weird, yeah, but he is based. Now, don't get this token confused with Blap, B-L-A-P. I uploaded a video on Blap today, which is a combination of all the Boys Club characters. So if you spell out like the Boys Club, their first initials, B-L-A-P, of course the P being Pepe, the most famous, you will get Blap. And this is a different token called Blep. But both of those tokens seem to be doing fairly well in the past week or so. So there's a tweet here, and it looks like maybe this is where the project started. It says here, you rang, the boss delivers, but first I need details, a name, a ticker, whatever inspires you. Base is waiting for the next masterpiece. And then this is from someone else tweeted out, maybe it's an AI. He would like to launch Blep. He's a super meme. I asked, there it is. I asked an AI to create an image that looked like Brett, Fwog, and Pepe all mixed together. So this is like almost like a Boys Club masterpiece as well, just like Blap, but different. Mixed together to make a super meme for Base, completely original. We asked AI Grok to name him, and he came up with Blep. And then it says, use this image, and then there is an image of Blep. And from that image, they created many, many other memes. So it became a very popular thing. Now it says liquidity locked for the Tokenomics. Contract ownership renounced. Total supply 1 billion tokens. Has the contract address right on the webpage. It says 0% buy and sell tax. And we could verify all that here on DEX Screener in a second. And then the rest of their webpage is just all sorts of memes. And then links to their Telegram and Twitter are also on the webpage. So you can basically find all the links on isthatblep.com. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Base for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, isthatblep.com. Now, as far as slippage goes, you will probably not have to set slippage because it says 0% buy and sell tax. You can also find the contract address right here on the screen on this Twitter at isthatblep on X. And they just joined in December 2024, 645 followers, blue verified checkmark, 49 tweets, and the contract address is right there. It says Blep is Blep Super Meme, and then it has a link to their Telegram, which is also at isthatblep. So basically the same address for the webpage, Twitter, and the Telegram. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees. I forgot to mention that on Uniswap. Not as much as you would if you bought an Ethereum token, but there's still going to be some gas fees. And if you scroll through the tweets here, it's just all cool memes, cool pictures of this character here. And yeah, so getting to the, they have here, the Telegram has 465 subscribers. You could also preview that channel before joining. Now, right now, according to their base scan, 18 decimal places on this token. Looks like a deflationary token has just got a little bit less than 1 billion tokens. They've had 104,398 transfers. Right now, they have 5,603 holders. So they're doing fairly well here. Their market cap right now is $1.1 million, according to DEX Screener. That is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $132,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 58.76% of that total liquidity is locked, and they have a UNCX link where you could verify that. So on the page it said liquidity locked, but really it's only 58.76%. Maybe the rest is locked somewhere else though, so that could be possible, but just according to DEX Screener, that's the amount locked. Today they've had 9,554 transactions. So it's a pretty popular token today with a 24-hour trading volume of $306,000. Token price is 0.0011 USD. Like I said, token was created 6 days, 18 hours ago, so almost a week old. Right now they have 17.6 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 63,909,600 pooled Blep tokens. It says, look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's Blep. Mindshare 100 billion meme. I mean, take that with a grain of salt. Now, they have a Go Plus security audit and a Quick Intel security audit on DEX Screener, and there is no issues on there whatsoever. And they have a token sniffer score of 100 out of 100. So, besides that, I did a video on Turbo on Base when it first came out about, let's see here, 3 days, 19 hours ago it came out. And it's been going strong every day. It's trending number 3 right now. Somebody left a comment saying like, oh, it's not the original Turbo, but what does that matter if it's just going up every day? Right now, Base Turbo is up 118% and almost has $1 million 24-hour trading volume. So go check out my Base Turbo video and check out Blep. I did that video today. And also Ski Nut, Ski Mask Nut, and Ski Cat is still trending. That's number 6. Number 5 is Ski Nut. So check out all those base tokens I just talked about recently. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.